Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and permanently delete your TikTok drafts so you can keep your content space clean and organized. First of all, start by launching open TikTok application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. Log into your TikTok account like you normally do and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your profile for TikTok, go ahead and tap on the Drafts tab. Now, all of your drafts will be displayed on the screen. In the draft page, go ahead and tap on Select at the top right. Now, select one of the videos you'd like to delete from the draft, and the video will be selected. You can select multiple videos by tapping on them, and finally click on Delete at the bottom of the screen. Click on Delete once again in the pop-up, and your selected drafts will be permanently gone. So that's how you can easily delete your drafts so that you can keep your profile tidy, storage freed up in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date with creator tips. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.